Are you ready for a journey that transcends an ordinary vacation? Imagine hiking breathtaking trails, discovering diverse cultures, and creating unforgettable memories. Picture this: incredible hiking routes that double as your next adventure. You don't need to be a pro climber. These paths welcome everyone. Let's dive into 3 must-visit trails. First, explore the Inca Trail in Peru, where history meets adventure. Next, embark on the Camino de Santiago in Spain, engaging with culture in charming villages. Lastly, challenge yourself with Tanzania's Kilimanjaro, the roof of Africa, and embrace the thrill of reaching a peak. What makes these experiences stand out? With nature's wonders at your feet and cultural treasures in sight, you'll find joy every step of the way. Don't wait. Start planning your epic trek now. Visit cheaptravelbooking.com to secure your adventure before 2030. Put on your boots, grab your passion for adventure, and let the world's beauty unfold before you. Ready to answer the call?